Casper trying to get the treat from Blizzard cup. He's scared of that cup. Give a knee. घाबरलास? ओगो शॉली ये इकडे हे घे Good boy.